Hi, good morning, guys. Today we have this one. We're going to begin with this one right here. There's a corner lot, pretty big yard. There's Quest doing his thing, and we'll show you the end result because we do have 20 in the books. No, 20 in the possible, and I'll tell you about the possible in a few minutes. All right, guys. So this is number 2 of 20 for the day. And I'll show you in a few minutes here what it looks like. And this is what I call my deceiving house. And let me show you why. Now, the only reason I call this my deceiving house is because the front yard is small. The front yard is small. Is it deceiving or deceitful? Yeah. But when you go in the back, oh, look at this. This is beautiful. I like it. I love it. Imagine being a doggone dog. Having a backyard like this. This is beautiful, guys. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right. Let me close the gate. And this is non-irrigated, non-fertilized centipede grass. And we are mowing this at AQ. What's the height? Okay. 2.50. 2.50 bi-weekly. All right. Awesome job, my man. And let's keep it moving. Alright, number 3. Pretty high in the back. Alright guys, here's an example of consolidating your accounts. So Quest is currently doing this one, and we just finished mowing this one, and we gotta blow this one. He's gonna do this one, and we'll do the other one beside it, the other one beside it, the other one beside it, and the other one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 in a row. All the way down this way. So that is the way that you make money mowing lawns, consolidating your properties. If you have a question on how to consolidate your properties, take a look at this video right in the corner, and it'll tell you exactly how I do it. There's no secret behind it, guys. The video's been out there for the longest. All you got to do is apply it. Believe me, it takes a while, but it works. It works. It works. So I'm over there. I'm over here. All the way down the street. All done. All right, guys. Now we have 3 in this on this side of the neighborhood. So we have the one directly behind me. and 2 up the street. So we got this one right here and 2 behind us. All right. Yard number 20 on the books. It's like 4:30. Hope you can see it. Oh, when it comes to the possible, guys, I forgot to tell you. Anytime it rains and we get to a property, if we can do the front yard, then that's what we'll do. We'll go ahead and do the front yard, and then we will return and do the back. So that is where we're going. So that's what I said, 20 and a possible. So we're gonna go over there and hit the backyard. It's already string trim and everything. It's been like 2 days, so we can just mow that little piece and that's it. But I'm not gonna put it on the video. Hey guys, today was freaking hot. It was stupid hot. This is a honey stick. It gives you energy. Like midday, get your little honey stick, suck on it. Revives you, man. Try it. Again, this is not a sponsored video. Alright guys, thank you for taking the time to watch my videos. Oh, I don't have anything else to tell you. See you tomorrow. Pop smoke. Peace.